the devil. All right, we have another roll this morning, folks. There's Gigi. Hi, you're a tail wagger. All right, let's go kiss the wife goodbye. Okay, let's get the shoes on. What? Fully. All right, I'll see you later. You be a good dog. Don't even comment on my floor. Shut up. I gotta hose off the car. Make sure the dogs don't run outside, you know what I mean? All right. Well, folks, today is going to be a little bit of a slow day for me. I have nothing on my schedule. Absolutely nothing on my schedule. Daniel has one service call with Derek. Yeah, so it's a little slow. We do have 4 pending installations. I got 2 steam boilers. I got a 4-ton central AC system. And I have a 2-zone ductless system. So I have roughly $70,000 of pending installs. Equipment for 2 jobs is in. More equipment is arriving today. And I'm okay. So while we're not doing the service calls right now, it allows me to concentrate on growing my business. I use these freelancers on Fiverr. Did I leave the fucking roll? Oh my God, I left the roll at the house. God bless me. God bless me, I left the roll at the house. I hire these individuals on Fiverr, freelancers, and they do like Google citations for me. And they do like, I wouldn't say black hat, but more like gray hat, not even optimization, but gray hat type of digital techniques to increase my presence on the internet. Now, on the new series that I've started on YouTube, the Mikey Pipes Palm Beach, Florida YouTube channel, where I'm documenting the entire startup process on how to get found digitally, marketing, things like that. On that channel will be step by step how I do this, right? Listen, guys, the yellow pages years ago, if you started a new business or you wanted your phone to ring, years ago, you would throw a ton of money at the yellow pages, and there was 2 different types of yellow pages back then. You throw a ton of money at the yellow pages, and your phone would ring off the hook, right? Well, it's not like that anymore. Let me get my roll. Stand by. Got the roll, folks. I got the roll. So years ago, you could do that. But, was that in the way there? Let me move that over for you. But you can't do that anymore. Yellow pages don't exist. And I bet you if you're, was it a millennial or Generation X? I don't know. If you're born in this century, you know, like 2000 and, if you're under 18 years old, you have no idea what a freaking telephone book is. You don't even know what a fucking payphone is. So I'm also streaming this on this new app, Pump.fun. And this morning I just did a little test video and I made $65. I kid you not. Pump.fun. I did it this morning. I made, yeah, I don't know. There's all these numbers on the screen. I have no idea what the hell this shit means. But my good old friend, son, who originally put me into crypto in, I think it was 2014, 2015, around there, 2016. He texted me last night and WhatsApped me and said, Mikey, you got to check this out. You know, this New York City licensed plumber made, I don't know, like $17,000 in 30 minutes. I'm like, what? Like, streaming what he's doing. So we're doing this Pump.fun. The ticker symbol for my coin is called Pipe. Appropriate, right? And yeah, all right. So back to doing nothing today. I have nothing on my schedule. Phone's been quite quiet now. September is normally quite quiet, but thank God I have these pending installs. These approved pending installs. Thank God, because that would really, really suck. And I would really hate to go into reserves to fund operations, because it's quite slow right now. Next week we have Rosh Hashanah, so it's going to be a little bit quiet next week as well. But on Thursday, why did this just turn off? On Thursday we have one install. Yeah, Thursday we have one install this week. We're going to do one next week and then two the following. So I'm quite excited to get these jobs and get them done. Today I'm going to reach out to my freelancers and see what we can do with organically trying to accelerate things. I don't do LSAs, which are local service ads by Google. These leads, well, every time the phone rings from an LSA ad, it's literally like $120. It's crazy. It's crazy. And I've tried it a couple times where I got it to the point where I actually had calls going to a dedicated phone number that I know is from them, right? Going directly to me, right? So I'm really tracking the call, and they'll call me up, and there won't be anyone there. And then seconds later, I get the notification from the Google LSA app that, oh, you got this lead, but you weren't charged for it. Okay, no problem. Great. But then you get the phone calls. They're well outside our service area. Like, could be in like Staten Island or New Jersey or in Connecticut, right? And they're not in our service area. And then I'll get charged $100 and something for that lead. I dispute it, and I have to wait like a month to get the money back. And it sits in an account, right? It's not like they credit back your credit card. No, it sits in an account. So, complete bullshit. Whatever. But there are contractors out there, especially those that are bought by PE, private equity, those investment companies that buy trade contractors. and they think they kill it, you know. But I don't have that kind of budget. I don't have that kind of budget. It's not going to happen. So I do things organically. All right, I am at the shop. We're going to make some coffee. And I am going to keep streaming on Pump.fun. Literally. I am going to keep streaming on Pump.fun. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. All right, before we get the show on the road here. What, you think the show wasn't on the road yet? I'd like to give a huge shout out to Dennis Blackwell. Dennis sent us a nice, generous $100 donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Charitable Organization. Dennis, I am mailing you out this poster. You're getting number 74. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to a nice benefactor. No one has claimed it yet, due to an amazing benefactor of the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Organization. If you would like a free poster mailed to you anywhere in the United States, email me, mike@mikeypipes.com. The first person to do so is going to get a free poster sent to them. Send me your name, address. I don't need your phone number, but your name and address. And I am going to send you a Mikey Pipes poster autographed, and you may get number 75. So, Dennis in Hanover, Massachusetts, you are getting poster number 74. Here is your, that's you, buddy, right there. It's going out. The office manager will be dropping that off at the post office, which is around the corner. Again, folks, here's that poster. And for all those that are on Pump.fun, where are you? Pump.fun. Pump.fun, there you go, folks. $42.50 here. Here you go, guys. $42.50. You can get one. You can get one easily. Mailed anywhere in the United States. Okay? There it is. Now I seem like a late night TV salesperson. You know what I mean? All right. I am going to go, you know what? I am going to go stock the shelves. I'm going to take that camera with me. And we're going to go stock the shelves, folks. You ready? Let's go. On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. This is in the way. Pissing me off. On the road again. All right, we have some bluefin 1-inch copper pressed 90s. That's some bullshit, by the way. I ordered this weeks ago, and now they finally sent it to me. Son of a bitch. 1-inch press 45. Oh, come on. Oh, 3/4 press 45. Yeah, what do you think? We're running kind of low there. See? My cup runneth over on the 1-inch 45s and the 1.25 45s. Let's see what we got right here. Let's see. Here we have 3/4 90s. 3/4 press 90s. Let's put those up there. Beautiful. Excellent. Now we have a couple boxes here of calcifer. Calcifer we use for tankless water heater flushes. Am I going to fit in there? Probably not. Let's go around. Let's go around, folks. All right, I'm probably boring you. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.